Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite cat prep channel Quantifiers. So this is yet another set in our daily DIRR series, and today we are going to cover one of the best sets you will find, which includes both analytical reasoning as well as data interpretation and a combination of both. It is one of the best sets. Okay. So before we proceed, these, like always, this is the comprehensive list of the courses that we provide. And I would like to announce that we are going to start a special DI series and special DI course very soon. And all the details will be given on the website shortly. Okay. So in a daily DLR series, it's been over a month and we have got some amazing response from people. So today we are going to cover, as I said, a conditional DI set. Let's see what the set is all about. Now it says a firm evaluates the performance of 5 of its employees, then annual increments are based on their performance ranking. Okay. The firm gives an increment of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25% in decreasing order of their ranks. Thus, the worst performing rank is 5 and gets 5% increment. So, very simple thing that the ranks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as per the performance. The first ranks get 25%, 20%, 15, 10, and 5%. This like. The top 3 employees also receive a bonus of 5, 3, and 2,000 respectively. So he gets 5k, he gets 3k, and he gets 2k additional bonus. Okay. The salary of all the employees is 10,000 in the year 2000 in the beginning. In a certain year, no two employee gets same increment. So the ranks will in any year will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The table shows the sum of the percentage increment of all the 5 employees after 3 and 5 years respectively. So this 45 can be, like if I take one of the case, this 45 can be 15 plus 15 plus 15. This is one of the possibility that it can be this. Okay. Now there are many other possibilities. We will find out as we proceed in the set. Okay. Now what are the conditions saying? 4 employees repeated one of their bonus amount exactly once. So if an employee is repeating one of the bonus amount exactly once, for example, let's say he's repeating 10,000 twice, which means there are 2 years in which he has got second rank. Okay. Only 3 employees managed to get the highest increment such that B and E were 2 of them. So B and E received 25,000 at least once. Sorry, got the highest rank at least once. That is 5,000. Okay. Now, about this bonus part, the bonus part is 3,000. Pardon, not 10,000. Okay. So further, all the 5 employees were ranked 3rd and 5th at least once. Okay. All of the employees got the same rank exactly twice. Okay. Now it is an interesting point when coupled with point number 1. So all of the employees got the same rank exactly twice, which means if an employee had got rank 3, he would have got rank 3 again, which means that this is the same rank he will get as a bonus rank. So he's repeating the bonus rank. And since there are 4 employees who are repeating their bonus ranks, which means when we are talking about 5 employees repeating their ranks, there are 4 employees who are repeating their bonus rank. There are 4 employees who are repeating their bonus rank. And then there is a 5th employee who is repeating a non-bonus rank, which means he is repeating either a 4th or a 5th rank twice. This is what I can make. So each and every employee will repeat one of its rank twice. 4 of them will be the bonus ranks and one will not be the bonus rank. Okay. C got the least bonus in 2005, which means C got 15th, C got 3rd rank. Okay. Okay. So let's move to the table and let's start filling the values. Let's see what we can find out. Okay. Now C has got the least bonus here. So if C has got the least bonus here, which means C ka increment kitna hua? C's increment will be 15%. I'm talking about the percentage terms because top to bottom are 25, 20, 15, 10 and 5. So C is getting the 3rd highest. So C is getting 15. And B is getting, B got no bonus in 2002. So B got either a 5 or a 10. This is what I have. Okay. E missed out the bonus on 2 consecutive years. So E has missed out the bonus on 2 consecutive years. Now I know that only one of the rank is getting repeated twice. No rank is getting repeated thrice. No, nothing such information is given. And only C and D are the people who are getting the same rank in 2 consecutive years. Okay. So let's see what are the various possibilities after 3 years. So after 3 years, there are three type of increments: either a 45% increment, so either a 45% increment, or a 25% increment, or a 65% increment. Okay. So let's see what are the feasibilities of these increments. So if I talk about the cases of 45, what are the possibilities? Let's say I'm starting with 25. So if I started with 25, I am left over with 20. 20 can be made by either 10-10, or 20 can be made by 15-5. These are the two possibilities, including 25. Okay, if I start with 20, then I am left with 25. So how can that 25 be made? Either it is 15-10, okay, or I can also take two 20s and a 5, 25. Okay, so these are the four possibilities for achieving 45% cumulatively, totally. Okay, so this is the case for 45. Let's talk about 25. So if I'm talking about 25, what are the possibilities? Let's say I am starting, I have to give it to 3 years. So if I start with minimum 5, I am left with 20. How can I achieve 20? 5, 5 and 20, and 5, 10 and 15. No, not 15. 5, and I have to, this is not, okay, I have to get 25. So if I'm getting 5, I'm either 10 and 10. Okay. Another case would be 5 and then 20 is 5 and 15. So these are the two possibilities. Can I get it with 10, 10 and 15, 10, 5, 10? That is already taken. Okay. So let's talk about 65. If I talk about 65, it has to include some highest numbers. So 25, okay, 25 and a combination of 20, 45 done, 20 more left. Can I get with 25 repeat? 25, 25, 50 and 15 more. This is another case. Is there anything else? No, nothing else. Okay, okay. So a very calculator intensive set. So if I talk about the increments, A has got an increment of how much? A has got an increment of 45 to 70, 25 increment. B has got an increment of 45 to 85, 35 increment. C has got an increment of again 35. D has got an increment of 20, and E has got an increment of again 35. So if it is this much, so A's increment is how different are values? 25, 35 and 20. So 25 in 2 years, 35 in 2 years, and 20 in 2 years. So 25 can be achieved by 10, 15, 15, 10. Sorry, 20, 25. 35 can be achieved by 15, 20, 10, 25. 20 can be achieved by 10, 10, and 5, 15. Okay. So these are the possibilities. Now let's move to the set and let's see what are the possibilities. I know I have a starting point that C has received 15 here, and C's increment was 35. So with 15, there's only one possibility that this is 20. There is only one possibility. Okay. What else do I know about C? C has got least bonus in this. Okay. Only C and D are got the same rank in 2 consecutive years. So C has to repeat one of the ranks. And how much has C got? C has got 25. So what are the possibilities for C? The possibilities are either 5, 10, 10, or it is 5, 5, 15. Can I say it cannot be 15, 15? Why? Because then two values are getting repeated. 5, 5 and 15, 15. Two values are getting repeated. But I can repeat only one rank twice, which means the only possibility is 10, 10, 5. And now this 10, 10, 5 can either be in this way or this way. These are the two possibilities. So let us take it. Let's see what else I have. Okay. So who has got the biggest jump here? It is 35. So let's start with E. E has got 35 rank. So since E has got 35 here, so what are the possibilities for E? It is 10 and 25, and it is 15 and 20. So let's say I'm giving him 15 and 20. E has taken 15 and 20. Information about E is given that E missed out the bonus in 2 consecutive years. Now E has to miss bonus in 2 places, either here or here. Okay. E has to miss 2 bonuses because E is getting the bonus in 2004 as well as 2005. What is E's rank here? E's rank here is 45. a percentage. Now, how can 45 be achieved such that I am getting two misses? So it cannot be this one. It cannot be this one. It can either be this one, or it can either be this one. If I take 25, 10, 10, if I take 25, 10, 10, I cannot use it anywhere. Okay, if I cannot use it anywhere, why I cannot take it anywhere? Because obviously I cannot put two tens in here. Why? Because out of the top three slots in 2001, 2003, 2002, two tens are already taken by C. अगर मुझे अपने दो टेंस को कहीं भी प्लेस करना है तो वो सी के साथ ओवरलैप होगा ही होगा एक टाइम, which means that 10, 10, 25 is not a possible case. Since 10, 10, 25 is not a possible case, which means that my assumption that it was 15, 20 is a wrong assumption, because in no other assumption I am getting two misses. So this cannot be 15, 20. Then since it cannot be 15, 20, it will be 10, 25. It will be 10 and 25. Since it has to miss two consecutive, so 10 is on the fourth and it is 25. Okay. So also I know that B, E and one other candidate is getting highest increment. Only 3 employees managed to get a highest increment. So E is one of them and B is one of them. Okay. Now let's talk about the other things. Now what is the possibility of E here? E has to miss two bonuses, and the only possible place other left is now 25, 15 and 5. 25, 15 and 5. So 5 has to come here so as to ensure that he is missing two bonuses. So it is either 25 or 15 here, or 25 or 15 here. So this is a good starting point. And since 5 is here, which means 5 cannot come here, so it has eliminated this possibility. So the only possibility left is here is 5, 10 and 10. And since 10 is here, 10 cannot be here. So it is definitely a 5 here. Now it is definitely a 5 here, and B has to score 45. How can I get 5? 5 I can get by 25, 15, 5, 20, 25. So let's say I pick this case 25, 15 or 15. Let's say I pick this case. Okay, this is one of the possibilities. Okay. Okay. Can I now I have to fill how much here? I have to fill 35 more here. So if I have to fill 35 more, how can I fill 35 more? It can be 15 and 20 reverse. Definitely can be. Okay, so it is 15 and 25 reverse. So now if it is 15 and 25 reverse, 15 and 20 reverse, then I know that only C and D got same two ranks. Only C and D got same ranks. So 15 cannot be here. So it has to be 25 here. It has to be 25 here. So if it has to be 25 here, then it has to be a 15 here. Okay. Since it is a 15 here, therefore it has to be 25 here and 15 here. Okay. So this is what I can make out. Okay. Now D has to get a 20 over here. D has to get a 20 in this. How can D manage to get 20? 20 can be achieved by either 10, 10, which is not a possible case. Why? Because 10 is already taking place here. So 10, 10 is not possible. Then it is 15, 5. 15, 5 is also not possible. Why? Because 15 is already taken by B. So there is no place left for D. And why this happened? This happened because I assumed this to be 15, 20, which means this assumption was a wrong assumption. Since this assumption was a wrong assumption, so I have to move all the way back and I have to eliminate this possibility that this was 15, 20. Since this was not 15, 20, then what it could be? Then it could be either 25, 10. And it has to be 25, 10, then 25 has to come here and 10 has to come here. Okay, because 25 is already here, no rank can repeat twice, so 25, 10. Now D has to get 20. D cannot get 10, 10. This I already decided. So D cannot get 10, 10. So D has to get 15, 5. 15 is already here. So 15 will come here. And 5 will come here. Done. Now 5 will come here. 15 will come here. And let's see what else. See, B cannot get two ranks common consecutive. This I know. So this cannot be 25. So this is 25 again. Now this is 25. This is 15. So this is 25. This is not 25. So this is 15. So this is 25. Okay. Now D has to repeat a rank. I know C and D got same two ranks. So D achieved how much? D achieved 65. Since D has achieved 65, 65 can be achieved by 25, 20, 20 and 25, 25, 15. Can I place 225s? I cannot place 225s. Why? Because मेरे पास जगह ही नहीं है 225 प्लेस करने की. अगर ऐसे रखूंगा तो नहीं रख सकता. दो कंसेक्यूटिव करनी है, यहाँ नहीं रख सकता. सिमिलरली यहाँ भी नहीं रख सकता. Because मिडिल प्लेस में तो आना ही आना और मिडिल में E का है. Which means 20, 20 and 25 are the possibilities, and 25 can only come here because here it is already occupied, here it is already occupied. So which means this is 20, this is 20. So now once it is done, now it is easy. Why? Because I can simply fill this value, whatever the leftover is. So what is the leftover? 5, 15, the leftover here is 10, the leftover here is 15, the leftover here is 20, here it is 5, here it is 20. This has completed my arrangement as of now. But let's move to the questions and let's see what we can answer from this. So I don't need this now, so let me erase this and let me put the questions over here. So let me see the questions. Okay, I also have to count in the factor that each one of them has a salary of 10k and each one is getting some increment over the years, okay, over their salary. So this is the basic structure of the cell. So the diagram has disfigured, so I have to keep it down a bit. Let me try it from here only. Who got the highest bonus among all? So the first question is, who got the highest bonus among all? So the highest bonus can be, A has got 15, 10, 15, 20, 5, 20. So the bonus A will get is 15, 20 and 20. So A will get bonus over here, 15, 20 and 20. So A is 15, 20 and 20. B will get the bonus of 25, 25, 15 and 25. And C will get the bonus of 20 and 15. D will get the bonus of 20, 20, 25 and 15. So D is apparently getting the highest bonus as of now. But if I talk about E is also getting a very good bonus. E is getting a bonus of 15, 25, 10 and 25. So if I talk about the bonus of E, it is 5, 5, 10 and this is this is not the bonus point. So 5, 5, 10. So D is getting 4 bonuses and apparently 20, 20, 25 and 15. So D will get the highest bonus over here, I can claim. So answer to the first question is D. D got the highest bonus. Now, what was the highest total increment given to anyone at the end of three years? So at the end of 3 years, we are talking about the highest increment. And when we talk about the increment, it will exclude the bonus, because bonus, whenever you calculate the new salary, it is not calculated on bonus, obviously. ठीक है, अगर आपको सैलरी लेस से 10 से 12,000 हो गई और आपको 2,000 का बोनस मिला था, तो आपकी नई सैलरी 12,000 पे इंक्रीमेंट लेगा, आपका 14 पे नहीं लगेगा. So let's talk about the bonuses now. So for A, the salary will be 10,000 into 1.1 into 1.5 into 1.2. This is the multiplying factor of A. For B, the multiplying factors are 1.25, 1.15. It is 1.05 and 1.15. Okay. For C, C is pretty low, 5, 10, 10. D is pretty high, 1.2, 1.2, 1.25. Is there any value? No. So D is getting the highest. So for 10,000, increase of 20%, yani 2,000. So 12,000, then increase of 20,000, yani 10,000 into 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.25. So 1.44. This is giving me 18,000. So the combined increases for this is 8,000. So 8,000 is the net increment for this player. Okay. Net increment is 18,000. 8,000 for this player. So this is again done. Okay. How many employees at least double their salary, excluding the bonus at the end of 5 years? So now again the multiplying factors play a very important role. So if I'm playing the multiplying factor plays a very important role here. So how can I use this? So A's salary will be whatever it is, X into 1.1 into 1.15 into 1.20 into 1.05 into 1.20. So if in CAP you can use the calculator over here. So if I see this, so this will come somewhere around 1.9x. So it is not doubling it. If I talk about B, B is nothing but 1.25 into 1.05 into 1.15 into 1.25 into 1.1. So it is coming a little higher than 2. So it is definitely doubling. Okay, so C 1.05 into 1.1 into 1.1 into 1.2 into 1.15. It is definitely not greater than 2. It is less than 2. So if I talk about D, see, D had got the highest increment here, and D is also getting two good values. So it is safe to say that D would have got the estimate. Okay. So for D, it is 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.25 and 1.15 and 1.0. So it is definitely above 2. So there are two players as of now. And if I talk about E 15, 25, 5, 10, 25, 15, 25, 10. So B and E have got same percentages. If I see 25, 5, 15, 25, 10, 25, 5, 15, 10, 25. So E is also increasing its salary by double. So there are three people, B, D and E, who are doubling their salary. Okay. So this question is also taken care of. A very calculation intensive set, as I told you. It was not only arrangement. Arrangement was difficult at one point. This is difficult at one point. So this is also on, there are three employees. So it was 8,000 and it was B. What was the average bonus given out by the company per employee per year? Now this will include a lot of calculations. I have to calculate the bonus for each of them. Then I have to divide it by 5 and I have divided number of employees. So let us see that how much employee everyone has got. So if I talk about A's bonus is 15, 20 and 20, 20 and 20. So A's bonus is 8,000. If I talk about B, B's bonus is 25, 15, 25, 5, 5, 2 to 12,000. C's is 5,000. D is 20, 20, 25, 15, 13,000, the highest bonus taker. And E is again same as B's, all increments, so 12,000. So what is the total bonus? 20, 25, 38, 12, 50,000. In 5 years, so 5 years and 5 employees. So it comes out to be 2K per month per employee, 2K per year per employee. So the answer to the last question is 2K. So it will come out to 2K. So as you can see, it was a pretty interesting set. D is here, 8K is here, 3 employees are here, and 2K is here. So this is your rest set of the day. So this completes the set. I know it is a pretty interesting set. Okay, before I miss, I always get some queries like this. I remember that in B, we took one case as 10, 10, 5 and we missed the case of 2025. So if the 2025 case was true, the other case would be rejected. Okay, but it was not rejected and there is only one possibility. So that case we did not even check. Okay, so this brings an end to our today's session. And if you want to join this league, you can join us as soon as possible. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.